Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by checking both pieces for damage. Dacron must be clean and flexible. Once done, measure diameters and confirm the connector matches the line's tensile rating so the splice won't concentrate load. Next, cut a clean square end on the line, melt the tip slightly to prevent fray, and seat the connector so you have accessible tails. Now prepare your tools: needle, polyester thread, glue, and a small heat shrink so you can move straight into the splice. You'll push the prepared line into the Dacron bay while keeping steady tension and eliminating twists. This reduces weak spots. Then form either a 4 to 6 tuck splice or run locking stitches through the Dacron and line. You're securing fibers so load transfers smoothly. Make snug, evenly spaced passes. Don't over-tighten. Once the mechanical join looks uniform, add a thin bead of flexible adhesive inside the bay and over the stitch line. Then slide heat shrink and apply heat for compression and abrasion protection. Trim any excess tails and melt the ends lightly, bury or whip them so nothing abrades. Now test the assembly under a safe, controlled load for a minute or two. Observe any elongation or slippage. If everything holds, finalize with another adhesive pass and reheat the shrink for a sealed finish. If you see movement, stop, resplice immediately. The usual fixes are more tucks, additional adhesive, or replacing the connector with a higher rated size.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.